Hi Eastfield. So now I'm going to show you how to log into letterjoin, which is our new handwriting and spelling scheme that you can log into remotely online. So every class has its own username and password, but every child in that class has the same username and password as each other. So for my class, it's here, _13. Oh, and the password, letterjoin, and then the number of the year group. So when you click login, this is what you'll be faced with. There's a tab at the bottom which we'll minimize because it gets in the way. So it's quite simple really. You can choose to try some easy letters, easy words, and all of these things have a built-in handwriting recognition thing when you click on them. So if we click on the word we can click play. And it'll show you how to write that word. Okay, you can also click the try button and you can use your mouse or tablet to trace over and follow the handwriting cursive style. And the better you do, the more stars you earn. You can also find here, which is what your teacher will have set, if you click on resources along the side and then W animator, what you'll find are your teacher's set word lists. So at the top here, you can choose which bank you want to choose. There are two sample banks, which are words that have been created by letterjoin themselves. And then for each week, your teacher will be putting up new spellings that are being learned in school and their equivalent handwriting practice. So for example, if I click on my year sixes for the week beginning the 9th of November, there's my year 6 word list. Now you can click a word and it will come up and show you, and then if you click the play button it will actually play my extremely slow first attempt at tracing the word adorably. Going back to the main page, back into resources, back into W animator. What you can also do is if you click on a word in the list, you can also click try yourself, and you can use the pencil to trace over or use your iPad or tablet. And final thing I'm going to show you, if you go into, once again, resources W animator, then click in the bottom right corner. If you first of all choose the word bank you want to work on, so maybe the year 6 ones, once that's loaded up, bottom right corner, click on activities, and then from there you can make a spelling list, and what it will do is it will create for you a look, cover, write, check word list for you to practice and print off and practice tracing them with real pencil. Back on activities again, you can make a word search which comes up like this, and then you've just got to find the words in the list. There we go, simple as that. You can also print it as well. So yeah, that's letterjoin. Thanks very much.